Hello guys, today I show you how to connect Chromecast / Google TV remote to Android TV. So as you can see, there is now Google Chromecast running. Here is settings. Let me see there. So this is Android 12. I already make this remote work with TV. You have to do it. As you can see, there is IR infrared. So this remote can control off on input and volume keys for the TV. Okay, so when your Chromecast is working and that remote things are done, you can just unplug this Chromecast from TV. Then go to your TV settings. This is also Android, so it's very similar. Go to settings, and there is let me see, like remote devices and accessories, and there you can see there is Bluetooth settings, and there you can add device. I now use this remote, so add device. Now it's looking for device, and then we push home and back keys for 3 seconds. There is, you can see the light is on, and now there is Chromecast remote. So I press OK with this TV remote. And now it's paired to this TV. You can go back. And now I'm this main menu, and I can use this remote for this TV. Main reason why I want use this Chromecast, because I don't use that Chromecast, and this has this microphone, so I can use the talk feature. So this remote doesn't have microphone. It's very annoying to try to type those what you want to see, but that is how you do it. Thanks for watching.